Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Peggy and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a flowy long dress that's simple fit in everyday outfit yet it being for evening wear. And this is part 1 of my tutorial on how to style an evening wear to everyday outfits. It is not a secret that the flowy long skirt has become a huge trend, and this magical does come along and we have something that everyone can fit their way of wearing it. The style is so versatile, a design piece that can make for smart and casual occasions alike and always look polished and fabulous. So let's get started. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY fashions. And please stay tuned for the part 2 of my tutorial about how to make your own puffy sleeve fluffy top and how to style this evening wear to everyday outfit. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!